I love this toy. It will actually work, but it's a Ricky toy. Let's go. Great. This. Okay. I'm hungry. Oh my. Oh no, we get no food. I get Ricky to eat the food. How to eat now? How? How to eat? How can I write in the food? How? I give grocery. That's better. I really got the grocery store. Let's go. But my toy is not a good. My toy are here. And it's over. Let's go to the grocery store. Right. Okay, I'm here. Let's go grocery store. Let's. Oh no, I can maybe. Oh no, I cannot wait. Okay, I'm here. Let's look for. But it's okay. Here is good. Oh, delicious food. I want this. Carrot. Okay, only better. And oh, wow, this one. So, this and a water. Where's the water? Oh no, no water here. I want this one strawberry. Oh, I don't know the floor water. Oh, I want. Oh, I forgot it. And this. And that's it's a, oh, what is this? Okay, I don't know this tile. What? How? How? The bake. I don't know how to bake. Sorry, I don't know. Oh, here. Meow. Okay, I make a check. Oh, is $36. But I got no money. Okay, it's free now. Thank you. I can afford it. Okay, but tomorrow you can buy. I get, but you get money. Okay? Okay. Thank you for shopping. Okay, don't worry. I get it for back. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, I'm here to home. So my kitchen is ready. Let's go to the bake. I saw that here. Here. Chicken is here. Oh, let me put. Oh, this. Oh, this is here. 4 carrots. And 4 chicken. Yum 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 yum. Okay, I got this. order again. Wait, I can arrange this trash. Okay, wait here. I just word trash. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh, what are you doing, man? I forgot to buy. Wait. Oh, the garden. It's a poor doctor. Go to doctor. Now, I get the baby doctor. Oh, hi. Hey. Hey, Kiwi ice cream. I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. Oh, hello. How can I forgot the money. Oh, here. I have a food. Okay, I'm here. This is my money. I love my money. Okay, stay here, my money. Okay. Oh, I can do shopping. Tomorrow I go to shopping and I go to. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go to bed. Oh, okay. Okay, you here. I forgot. Okay, let's go to the. Oh, I forgot. I forgot here. I got forgot. This side. I can go. Ah.
Pangalan ko. Pero itong 22.
Ah. Good morning. It's already morning. Let's go for breakfast. Oh, meow. Let's go to breakfast. Let's go. Let's go for breakfast. Okay, here. I like it for breakfast. Okay. Wow. I let it go the cook. Dog area. I like that. I gotta go to the eat. Hi. Oh, so cute. Let's go watch a TV. It's so good. It's so good to bake. Oh, she added. She are a floor. Why she so funny? She's so funny. She's so funny. Look, she's so funny. I forgot the one my buddy. What I got a cute bunny. I bird. She added a floor. Who's the doorbell? Let's go. Let's go use the doorbell. Go our rig. You have to full. Where's your money? Hey, give me. No, I forgot your money. I will go to shopping. Shopping is a best. It's not a best. I forgot to give you. Your house is a robe. What? My house is a robe? No, I forgot about my books. My books is in the floor. No, shopping time. You are a loser, your house. Oh, I forgot. I hate you. Goodbye. I ever. Hey, come back here. I don't believe you have. It's mine now. It's so fast. I can break it. Okay, let's go. shake. Let's go to heart. Okay. So you can hide this house now. Alright. Here. Thank you. Good. Oh, it's actually it's good. It's a great. Of how to make.
Ay,
So
napakapit.
good.
Okay na. Ang gabi.
So good.
Tsaka nabusog ako sa kinain ko eh. Macaroni, tinapay. Kahit hindi ako nangyari.
So yummy. So nice house. I can make. It's a great.
Oo nga po.
Let's
Eh, hindi ko alam kung nandiyan na eh. Mapagpapang kayo.
how can I make bake?
Nakita ko naman.
No chicken here. How can I make a raisin? What? Bake. Oh no, I can pour us. So wait. How can I bake? I didn't like. Okay, let's go for. I can go to here. But strawberry is a best, and this is a best. Best. Okay, I almost sad to sleep. I'm almost that a good. Maybe next time. I can make it. And shower. La 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 la. Okay. I already that. Is that it? What? I can see. Oh, what? Let's go. How can I make it? Or I go to sleep. Part 2.